I know.
I thought you were like back drill. Drill. It's like a drill. No. There's no such thing as a fire drill.
This building goes off way too many times. I'm not even kidding. It's like, what, the second time this week?
Wait.
No way. Last time was Monday, wasn't it?
Yeah. I don't think I was in the one that happened.
You can easily see it over here.
Especially when you air. So it's like
Yeah, Tower C's even going off. Must be on Tower C this time. I find funny the Margaret Center's going off too. I'm not happy. I got ready to go to bed, and all of a sudden the fire alarm goes off when I'm in the bathroom. I was like, what?
Bullshit.
It must be Tower C this time.
What?
Everybody's going in Tower A.
It's because someone farted popcorn. I'm freaking smell
I can smell it.
it. And then how dumb are you? Like, how dumb
I'm not
are they?
dumb.
No, I'm.
They are.
No,
I wish they would ban
I'm not
popcorn.
talking about you. I'm talking about how dumb are they? Right? Seriously?
They're very dumb. You can barely see it on this.
Ugh.
I heard
Funny.
last night Heuman's went off.
I know, Tower A.
Oh, you know what? This is gonna be like for 2 weeks.
What?
This is one of those Yep,
Okay,
it's popcorn.
What?
It's popcorn. You can smell it.
I know it's popcorn. Alright. Because last night it was Tower A and so Heuman's and then Kate Gleason. 3 went off last night.
Yeah. Oh my God.
One went off. What? What am I looking at?
3rd floor.
What?
Look at the 3rd floor.
Wait, what?
Look at the 3rd floor.
Yeah. Holy crap.
There's like literally smoking 3rd floor. I'm 1st floor.
Was it fucking you? You got popcorn?
3rd floor is like literally smoking.
Right there.
Yeah, 3rd floor lounge is like literally smoking. You can see it. They must have caught the microwave on fire. Cause right where the microwave is at, it looks like red.
Alright, let's go back.
Wait, is that
Wait, if the 3rd floor is like, if they said if the 1st or 2nd floor like has a fire, their tower's supposed to go off. This is freaking wrong. I'm going to laugh if that laundry's on fire. You?
I'm seeing flames.
They have to let it vent out before they can even reset it. Or else it's just going to keep going off. I'm going to laugh. They have to like set off like that tower before they can reset the whole building.
What?
I'm going to laugh. They have to set off that tower before they can reset the whole building. That's a pretty good.
I'm going inside. Stupid.
You think?
It's like, how dumb are you?
I don't know, but that's public safety that went in there.
No, the one yesterday, there was 3 different ones.
That was public safety that just went in.
Yeah, one of them yesterday, the guy decided to listen to his friend and put the popcorn in for 8 minutes because it would go faster. Yeah, like, fucking right. It'll burn as fast as you can.
Yeah.
I'm going inside.
I wish they would ban popcorn from this institute. I'm not even kidding.
They are banned microwaves from the dorm.
Yeah, you can you put it right here. You can see it.
In 2005.
We had a fire alarm on the 23rd that was multi-towers. they had a fire alarm yesterday, and we get a fire alarm tonight.
Well, if we get every tower all around campus to burn popcorn at the exact same time, we can have a party outside.
You hear that horn? Yeah, it's kind of interesting how it's like filling up with smoke, literally. If you like stand right here, you can't. Yeah, public space is like standing in the window.
So I just spin it out.
Whoever made popcorn, I hate you. Right? People in like that line are probably wondering what's going on. It's simple. All you gotta do is go over there and pull the pull station. There you go. Even, right? Like we can call it even that way. Yeah, apparently someone decided to overcook a popcorn in the third floor lounge. It completely smoked the third floor lounge.